All right, guys, here we go. Look at those riders lining up. Engines are roaring, crowds hyped up, and oh man, just look at that hill. It's steep, it's rocky, it's literally like trying to ride up a wall. I've seen impossible climbs before, but this one looks extra nasty. Whoever makes it up there today, that's pure madness. Keep watching quietly for a bit, reacting with, whoa, look at that until the first attempt happens.
Entscheidend ist für den alleinigen Rundweg. Heute braucht es nicht mehr. Ja, und dann der letzte Wandermanerin. Der letzte Wandermanerin. Der wird sich ein Haus zu lange da und dann von oben und
Okay, first rider is going for it. Throttle wide open. Let's see if he can handle that incline. Oh, no way, he almost had it. Bike just lost traction and slid straight back. That's brutal. You can tell the surface is loose, no grip at all. One mistake and you're out. Respect though. He gave it everything. Keep watching 1 to 2 minutes with small reactions like, nice try, that hill is unforgiving. Each rider is learning where not to go. Here comes another rider. Looks like he's got a bit more momentum. Come on, come on. Oh, big crash. That had to hurt. The bike just stopped dead and threw him off. This is the kind of moment where you realize how dangerous this sport is. You can't half-send it. You either commit or you're eating dirt. Hope he's okay. Stay quiet for 1 to 2 minutes. Maybe say, that was close. He's walking away. That's good. These riders are seriously tough.
Nachholen, am Eingang.
Ja.
Im Finale bist du wieder dabei.
Ja, ja.
Also,
Dann muss ich jetzt so.
This section right here is absolutely savage. Look how steep that is. It almost looks vertical. This rider's got guts. He's picking a line to the left side. Okay, he's going strong. The bike is screaming. No way. Can he hold it? Ah, he loses balance right at the hardest spot. Man, this is brutal. That's what separates the pros. The precision and throttle control at exactly the right second. Stay in suspense for 2 minutes. React softly. So close. These guys are fearless. Each crash looks worse than the last. Here we go. This might be the wildest attempt of the day. He's got speed, he's got commitment. Look at that control. He's almost at the top. No way, no way. Is he going to make it? Ah, so close. The bike flips right at the last second. That's insane. I can't believe he held on for that long. That's the kind of ride people will remember after the event. Keep watching. React small for another 2 minutes. Look at the replay. That crowd is going wild. Best attempt so far.
Leg mal in die Kamera über dir.
we're at the finale. This is it. Last rider of the day. Last chance to conquer the impossible climb. The pressure is on. Crowd is loud. He launches. Full throttle. He's going higher and higher. Oh man, this is looking good. Yes! He actually made it further than anyone. What a finish. Even if nobody makes the full climb, that attempt was legendary. This is why Impossible Climb Andler is one of the wildest dirt bike events in the world. Unreal.
Völlige Leistung, über 90 Meter. Er hält sich fest. Aber das wird nicht reichen für
Yeah.
Achtung, Achtung, Achtung! Alles gut? Alles gut. Ja, beweg dich nicht, beweg dich nicht. Aber bleib an die Reifen.
Olli! Stopp! Der was auch wieder da.